Kids are stupid, no doubt about it. Look at this kid drinking medicine he thinks is a can of Pepsi that's closed. If you have a kid and you have dressers, things that can tip over, they'll try to kill themselves. A friend of mine is having a baby. I bought something to help prevent his kid from killing himself. Ryan for Silly Reviews. Let me show you what we're talking about. This product here is from BZseed on Amazon. It's an anti-tip kit to have your kid kill themselves, okay? You can see I recently purchased this. It's a cute little setup to prevent that dresser drawer from falling over. Keep that kid from killing itself. Take a look inside the box, already popped the top, gave it a boop bop. Now we're gonna get on in here, we're gonna take a closer look, just what's inside this anti-tip kit. Prevent your kid from a short life. BZseed on Amazon. It's cute, it's kitties. You get something to prevent the sides from tipping over, the top from tipping over. You got something to keep you from opening the doors. This could be used for cabinets, all kinds of different purposes. All bagged up in nice quality, thick plastic, and the 3M tape on the back, that's a must. If you ever buy anything and it's got double-sided tape that's not 3M, send it back. It's gonna be garb. It's a garb newbie product. I'm gonna open this up. Nice big plastic bag. You can reuse that. Keep things in there. So right here, this keeps drawers and cabinets from opening. Simple design, spring loaded. So anybody who's not 2 years old can open it and get out of there what you need. You know, maybe your booze cabinet. Now these straps right here, super protection for the front of a tall cabinet that has swing open doors, okay? Simple to adjust. You flick that back, you move it back and forward. It'll adjust for different size cabinets, double swing doors. Now this is what goes on the top. This is the cutest part of it. Little kitty cats, 3M tape. Tape it to the wall. That big part right there. And you're gonna tape it to the top of the cabinet with that tape right there. And now, hopefully your kid is a weakling and doesn't have enough strength to detach all these and tip the cabinet over him, okay? Or her. Oh, got some more of those little drawer and cabinet non-openers with the springs. Get the rest of the stuff out of here. Lots of parts, lots of pieces, lots of 3M tape. Quality product, it's cute, and it could save you from a disaster, save your kid from a disaster, keep you off of the news, keep CPS away from you. That's 2 thumbs up. The link is in the description. Baby-proof, dumb-proof your house.